Coastal Hire presents your DIY tip of the week. Got a room that needs painting and you don't know where to begin? We're about to brighten your day. All you need is paint, a paint roller extension, a paint tray, paint brushes, masking tape or painter's tape, gloves, sandpaper, rags, a putty knife, a wooden paint stick for stirring, lightweight plastic sheets or drop cloths to protect the floor, and a ladder if needed. First, remove all the furniture from the room. Determine how much paint you will need. As a guideline, 1 litre of paint covers roughly 12 square meters per coat. Now for the prep work. Place plastic sheets or drop cloths on the floor right up against the wall that you'll be painting. Apply masking tape to the door frame and window frames. Remove all light switch covers. Mix the paint well. Pour the paint into the paint tray. Using a paint brush, paint along the top, bottom and corners of the wall. Using a paint roller, paint the walls using long strokes in a W pattern. Once the first coat is dry, the second coat can be applied immediately. Let the paint dry and remove all the tape. Once you've let the room ventilate, you're good to go. Your DIY tip of the week was brought to you by Coastal Hire. For other great DIY tips, find us on social media. And for all your equipment hire needs, visit coastalhire.co.za or visit your nearest Coastal Hire store. Serving all your equipment hire needs nationwide. Go Coastal!